Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm back with another video and I'm here at the Mall of the Emirates. You could see how pretty this looks. So I came here immediately after work and there's some event happening at Miss Oni. You could always come here and check outfits, and there's some event happening over here, and we have another coffee shop here. It's so pretty. Do you see that? I mean, lovely. I mean, to me it seems so pretty from here, really. So now the agenda is today to get the groceries. So you could see it's still not dark outside. I'm here. I have to get few groceries from here before going home today, because the rains are predicted for the next 2 days here in the UAE. So it's better to have stuff at home, and then later on you don't need to go and run for groceries because you are kind of just staying at home, working and all. So I'm here at the Mall of the Emirates because it's so much easier for me to access the Carrefour over here, take the stuff. How pretty it looks from here. Do you see that? Take the stuff and go back home. It's like, from us it's 15 minutes drive from our home to Mall of Emirates and then going back. So you know, for me it's always a good idea to come over here and fetch some stuff. Anyhow, I see my another favorite brand whose bag I'm already carrying. Like I'm having MK's bag. Let me show it to you guys. And I see MK over there as well. But I'm not here today for wasting time on such things. Versace also have a set of good wallets and bags. Okay. So we have MK, and then I have heard something of Coach is happening over here, and I like these bags and the ones inside, but I am tempted towards bags all the time. I am a bag freak, so I just don't want to, you know, put my eye over there and then, you know, I start drooling and all. Anyhow, I have to find the metro link so that I can go, and I think I am coming outside Apple, yes, and so that from the metro link I can just go. I have to get the screen protector for my other device. I usually get it off Amazon and put it on my device itself, but it's so much dusty and weird right now that it needs a proper cleaning. And for that matter, I just thought, why not coming over here, let's do all our errands side by side. And that's, so you guys, it's Apple over there. I am a kind of Apple fan. Oh, and here it is. It's the huge Coach event that's happening here. So we'll go down and we'll try to capture. It's kind of a cafe, and then Coach stuff is being displayed everywhere. I'm a huge fan of Coach, by the way, so it could be of help to me. But let's just go get my work done. So I'm because I know the ways over here. So, or maybe let me go back and find another way to the metro link, get my stuff done from there, and then I'll be back over here for showing you guys what's happening with the Coach stuff. So stay tuned, you guys. And hey, it's Mall of the Emirates Day. So guys, do you see this cute Coach bag in front of you? It's a balloon, and this person is standing over here. He shouldn't be, because I'm making a video, and then I showed you from the top as well. So he should move, but he's not doing that. I know how I don't understand how people can be this much silly. So anyhow, it's a cafe inside as well, and they're showing their bags. And again, let me show it to you guys. Now that stupid man is no more here. So that's how it is. And let me grasp a big picture before somebody else comes in and takes the throne. and I would like to show you how pretty and cute they have popped up their outlet. I think so they are promoting their some of the new bags, but do you see this cute changing room or whatever it is? And I think they are promoting something over here, and they have their bags over there as well. Okay, these are the locker rooms. I was right. You can just place your stuff in here, and there's an entrance fees for everybody who wants to go in, and you have to pay for that. You can place your luggage over there, and then Coach is having this amazing kind of an event, and I could just see the display of their bags from the back, and there's some new variety. They have tried to copy Chanel, I must say. So yeah, it's the cafe as well. So okay, that's okay. And here we have in front of us anyhow, I'm working very closely with them on a few of their applications, business applications right now. So yeah, I have huge respect for you guys. And here's my favorite place, Sistrology. This one is amazing. Do you see how they have placed the boxes and the beauty over here? It's on another level, seriously. For me, I can always come here and buy stuff, but there should be an end to these things, and I have to find Virgin, and at last I have found it. I mean, okay, they've put up Dyson over here, Airstream, which I already have. I have mixed reviews regarding that, because in the environment, the humid environment that we live in, it makes the hair blast up, and it makes it very sticky. So I have kind of a mixed reviews. If I wouldn't have got it, it would have been okay either, because I have been really happy with the Air app. Anyhow, stay tuned for more stuff coming your way from this amazing place. So guys, just ending the night with this strawberry mojito and this Snickers cake. I know it's very dark, but this is how it is. And here's the shisha. I'm at a place called La Villa Matusa, and the shisha is really amazing. It's a must try, especially. And then I have to dig into this Snickers cake to see how it tastes. And outside vibe is also very good, so make sure you come over here. It's in Jumeirah 2, Jumeirah 3, place somewhere like this. You can put it on Google Map and see for yourselves. So until next time, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch up with you guys in my very next video. So till then, just see how pretty the Snickers cake is, and I'll catch up with you guys in my very next video. So till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.